What are some industries where AI has had the most impact on business strategy?
Definitely, when it AI, I would always define to my trainees or to my team or maybe to the organizations that I deal with. See, AI is very much specific to the zone that you want to get it implemented. So many think that it's very much generic. No. So if you can identify those areas where you need that kind of artificially developed intelligence based upon the data, uh, definitely AI will be beneficial on those dilemmas. Why I said this, or why I have to specify this in the sense that uh, we cannot let out any particular industry to stand out and say that AI won't be impacting. Maybe you're working with retail, you're maybe working with, say, finance sector, um, healthcare as such around there. You will see that really AI bringing in or maybe say entirely impacting the landscape of the businesses and the industries across all the domains for that matter. Say, for example, when it comes to healthcare nowadays, of course, with robotics, um, of course, you have, say, capabilities when it comes to predictive diagnostics. You can perform, say, operations, surgeries as such around there. Again, that's where your AI is coming into role play for that matter. I mean, right? Very simply, say, think about your e-commerce platform. Okay, nowadays everybody is working at the convenience of your home. You can see meet very particularly say purchase things accordingly. And how does companies maybe say e-commerce platform work very well, or maybe say offer the best services for that matter, just because of the personalized experiences and the recommendations we can bring up for their esteemed customers using the recommendation engines coming into role play. It's already there. If you are someone who is more into very particularly say banking sectors as such around there, it's already there when it comes to fraud detection, maybe the risk analysis that is available. There are nowadays platforms that uses artificial intelligence that comes in terms of maybe providing you with solutions for achieving the financial goals, maybe investment strategies as such around there. Again, I'll have to add that definitely. Again, the explainability factor of artificial intelligence is something that has to be accommodated, but you will see that every domain, all right, maybe when it comes to the logistics sector, maybe organizations that really want to identify the maintenance they want to bring in terms of their equipments, their devices, and so on for that matter being. You can quickly analyze, come up with solutions very specifically. Again, you can collect the data and come at decisions for that matter across various domains that we are going to work around for that matter being. So you will see that very particularly across different domains, different industries, artificial intelligence is making a very much a significant impact as to look in for that matter.
Extremely insightful, Gino. As in, that just kind of brings me to a thought personally that, when we are addressing the business leaders today, moving themselves towards accepting AI, do you think eventually they would definitely need employees or, the workforce to be AI enabled? That means somewhere everybody needs to be thinking about upskilling themselves or learning about AI and, being, how do I put it, being more prepared for the future. What are your thoughts
Definitely,
on it? And also, it brings in
definitely.
this $1 million question from a lot of people, no? Will AI replace me? So I'll also want you to talk about that so that our viewers
Mhm.
can get your expert opinion.
Okay, so one of the biggest hurdle, or maybe say, mm, my what do you say? Uh, the problem that needs to be addressed is that when people think about artificial intelligence, okay, they think that it's going to eat up the job, maybe we would be replaced as such around there. See, I believe maybe if you walk down the historical lane, definitely uh, only those organizations, those individuals, those professionals have been able to sustain, those who have adopted themselves according to the change, right? So adaptability is very important. So if you are ready to adopt, definitely I don't believe so. There is no technology that has come up that's going to replace you. In the sense that that answers to, that's the other part of the question. That is, it's very important that if you're looking for the future, all right, and you want yourselves to be valuable asset to your organization, maybe to your team, definitely it's important that you embrace this technology. I wouldn't say that everybody is going to be a developer. I wouldn't say that everybody is going to start building some intelligent AI solutions, but you should understand, right, how this technology works, how you can integrate this technology into your day-to-day tasks, and definitely identify what are the latest trends, what is something that has come up in the market so that you can bring more value to your team, all right, and get the best out of it for that matter. I believe that answered the question that you asked.
Absolutely. I think it was very well answered, I must say.